Hey everybody, welcome to the Twoloosebricks channel, and it's Freddy here, and I just got an amazing doorbell ring. Yeah, this is what came, the haunted house. I had it on order and it finally came today. So, you know what that means. It's going to be build time later, and I'll probably be live with that. Anyway, just part 2 of the haul, because I already had part 1 where the skating rink came there last week. And I'm rather excited to put this one together. There's a lot of hype about this one. I don't know why I didn't order it right off the bat, but I guess I wanted to wait and see if the kinks were going to be worked out in the tower and everything. So, looks like they pretty much got everything working right. So the app has been updated, so it actually slows as it's taking off from the bottom going up. And there's a few other things. So I think I will save up now. For my next big purchase will be a hub and the 2 linear motors for this. I won't be using the power functions because it's just that it'll be running all the time if it's on power functions. And the only way I could do something with that would probably be run it off my NXT brick or something, and program it to do such a thing, which is kind of archaic now compared to the boost and the power up. But I could do that, or I could program the Arduino to run some power function motors. However, I've got all my power function motors spoke for, so, and I think rather than doing that, because that's a lot of work, I'll just save up and get the hub and the 2 motors as described right there on the box right there, for the power up, because everything is there and it's already programmed on the app, so it'll just save me time. By the time I get everything and put it together for regular power functions using either the Arduino or the NXT, because I don't have an EV3, it'll take me some time and probably half the amount of money, so, and it'll just tie up everything. So, like I was about to say before, I don't have any of the power functions motors left because I've used them in all my other rides, so that just brings me down to the powered up motors now. And I think pretty much Lego is retiring the power functions line and getting rid of all their stuff, so I don't know if you'll ever see it back in again. So down the road I'll pick up those, and they'll give me something to do later on. Now the thing is to build this and then actually find a spot down on the display to put it, because I don't know where in the heck I'm going to put this thing, because this is massive, and it might just mean shifting some stuff all around again. So look out for a new display. Anyway, I'm going to have a update on my display coming very shortly, as to what I'm doing, and well, I guess trying to figure out where to put this thing. Anyway, talk to you guys again in the next video. Until next time, have fun building. Peace out.